Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. It is Paper Pumpkin Week, and this is Cozy Christmas, the October 2025 Paper Pumpkin Kit. So let's see what is in the box. So we've got beautiful cherry cobbler tissue paper. This is the kit. We're making 9 cards, 3 each of 3 designs. And we've got our instruction sheet, full color with tape measure down the side. And the coordinating colors are basic beige, cherry cobbler, garden green, pecan pie, and real red. Okay, so we've got our stamp set. And the stamps are Merry Christmas, Joy to the World, Deck the Halls. We've got a star, and then we've got all in one 3 little starbursts. So that is a really useful set. I have a feeling that set will stay on my shelf. We've got a pecan pie Stampin' Spot. We've got tear and tape. We've got adhesive dots, dimensionals, and red sequins. And we've got envelopes. They're all the same. They're blank inside, but they've got this really nice linen look pattern to them. And we've got a real red card base. It's got like little lighter starbursts on it. And then we've got our garden green, or did I pull up more than one? Yes, I did. I pulled up the garden green ones at the same time. There we go. And we've got our greeting banners. Oh, and these are flocked. They're like little velvet embellishments on there, so that is very cute. And then we've got card fronts and more card fronts. So these ones are shaped, and they've got their notches on the corner. And then we've got baubles, and they've got and stars, and they've got that flocking on them as well, that little velvet piece. And then we've got more card bases in the basic beige this time. Oh, and these are flocked as well. So they're like velvety. Another bauble and some tree layers. And then we've got, this is gorgeous, the whole joy piece. And that's what's in the kit. So that is our October 2025 Cozy Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit. So stay tuned for the 3 projects as separate videos, and one alternative today, and then another alternate for the rest of the week.